How you doing? How's it going? Pretty nice. See you later, kid. Awesome.
Hey, boy, it has to be in here somewhere. Marcus got 24. But unless you set someplace different. Okay. It would be in the Crayola.
Yeah, I gotta wind back up. These are awesome.
I played with them.
So I'm not the only one that played with them? Okay, guys. That is my fun video. Pretty cool, hey? And you can purchase them today for $4. Pretty awesome. Awesome! Gotta get back to work now. Have a great day.